Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a crypto ledger. First, select a trusted hardware wallet such as the Ledger Nano S Plus or X, ensuring it's purchased from an official source. Once you receive your device, carefully unbox it and connect it to your computer using the provided USB cable. Next, download and install the Ledger Live application, which is essential for managing your device and crypto assets. This initial setup is crucial for securing your digital funds. After installing Ledger Live, power on your device and follow the on-screen prompts to begin initialization. You will need to set a strong PIN code, which should be between 4 and 8 digits long, to protect your device. The most critical step is writing down your 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Keep it absolutely secure and offline, as losing it means losing access to your funds. Never share it with anyone. With your device initialized, open Ledger Live and go to the Manager section. Here, you can install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need directly onto your Ledger device. For example, if you hold Bitcoin and Ethereum, install both the Bitcoin and Ethereum apps. After installing the apps, navigate to the Accounts tab and add accounts for each cryptocurrency. This allows you to view and manage your balances securely. Always double-check all transaction details directly on your Ledger device screen before confirming, ensuring accuracy and preventing potential scams. Regularly update both your Ledger Live software and your device's firmware to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features. Remember, your recovery phrase is paramount. Never digitize it. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Staying secure and prepared is key in the crypto world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.